Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my collection of Team Transport. First off, Team Transport A, which is the first of the few series. They're going to be released by Hot Wheels. And let's take a look, a quick look. The first one is the Porsche. The second one will be Nissan Laurel. The third one is a Nissan Skyline. The first one, Porsche 356 Speedster with Volkswagen Transporter T1 pickup. This is car number one. Let's admire a bit on the artwork, which is I always give credit to the Hot Wheels, whoever designed this artwork. They put really a lot of effort in design the packaging, the pack. And look at the car, the Porsche Speedster, urban outlaw, madness walker. In the back, this is the pickup. Yeah, the pickup. Nice. Car number two, Nissan Laurel 2000 AGX with Sakura Sprinter. Look at the truck first. Yep, the truck with the rail strip along in the middle, the tanker, and G ready. The cut artwork with the Mount Fuji at the background. So the car number 71 on it. I'm not going to open this up yet before I get myself a new display shelf. So this one will stay inside the pack. So some information at the back. So I'm going to look at the last one. '69 Nissan Skyline van carry on with the R1 livery. This will be the most sought after car because of the Nissan Skyline van. So the truck itself also with the R1 livery, the logo in there. The car, look at the top. Okay, and artwork inside the midnight, somewhere in the urban. This is car number 3. So what do you think about this set of 3? In fact, I already saw this one off because in the case there are 4 cars, and Porsche 356 there are 2 in the case, so I saw one off. So let me know which one is your favorite in the comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.